Hello everybody. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the various PF keys available in Mainframe session. You can see in the bottom of the screen, there are a few PF keys starting from PF1 till F12. Each PF key is also called a function key, has a specific activity. Today we'll discuss some of the important PF keys like F3, then F7, F8, F10, and F11. Okay, so we'll start with F3. You can see from the bottom of the screen, the description for F3 is exit. That means if you click this F3 key, it will exit from the current screen and it will take you to the previous screen. Let's try it. So I'm going to option 3.4 and suppose here I'm editing this first.ps file. Okay, I'm entering in edit mode into this file. And so this is the data in the file. And if you want to go back from this screen to my previous screen, you should click F3. And see, it is going back to the previous screen. Again, if you click F3, so it is again coming back to the previous screen. So F3 for exiting the current screen and going back to the previous screen. Now coming to the next function key, F7 and F8. This is for scrolling up and down. Like if you have a Word file and you want to scroll up or scroll down, you press page up and page down key from your keyboard. Similarly, in Mainframe, if you want to scroll up and scroll down inside a file or from any option, any listing option, you can press F7 and F8 to scroll up and scroll down respectively. So let's edit into this PS file, enter into this PS file. And here you see there are a large volume of data. Now, if I want to scroll down to the next page, I should click F8. F8 for page down. So see, it is taking to the next page. Again, click F8. So taking to the next page and so on. If you want to scroll up, you can click F7 and again F7. So it is scrolling up to the upper pages and I have reached the top. Now, if you just directly want to go to the last page of this file, so basically you are trying to go to the bottom of the file, you can type M for maximum and click F8. So see, it is showing the last page of the file. Similarly, if you want to go to the top of the file, you can type M and then click F7. Maximum page up and maximum page down. Okay, now coming to the next two function keys, it is F10 and F11. This is for scrolling to the left and scrolling to the right. Currently, I'm seeing the first 72 bytes of the file, but this file is actually 80 byte, 80 character long. Each record of this file is 80 character long because its record length is 80. But on the current screen, it is showing up to 72th column. You can see on the top right corner, it is showing columns 1 to 72. So if you want to see the right portion of the file, you have to scroll to the right. For that, you can click F11. F11 is for scrolling to the right. So let's click. Yeah, now see, it is showing till column 80. Okay, the remaining 8 bytes of this file. If you want to scroll back to the left, you can click F10. So again, it is showing the first 72 columns of the file. So F10 is for scrolling to the left and F11 is for scrolling to the right. Now here we will discuss another option, the scrolling option. You can see on the top right corner, we have option scroll. And here it is written CSR. CSR stands for cursor. There are two scrolling options available in Mainframe. One is page and another is CSR. If you set the scrolling option as page, then what happens is when you scroll down, clicking F8, it will scroll one page of data. Again click F8, so another page of data is scrolled down. Similarly, if you click F7, one page of data will be scrolled up. Okay, but if you change the scrolling option from page to CSR, CSR stands for cursor. In that case, wherever you place your cursor, say I'm placing my cursor on line number 6, this is line number 600. So here I'm placing the cursor, and now if I click F8, so see the line number 6 has come to the top of the file, top of the screen. So from that point it has scrolled down. Again see, if I click here, this is line number 1900. Okay, this is line number 1900. So from here, if I click F8, so you will see 1900 line has come to the top. So that means whenever you are using a scrolling option of cursor, then wherever you are placing your cursor and clicking F8, from that point it will scroll down. That line will come to the top. Similar thing will happen for F7 also. If you click on a line and press F7, so from that point it will scroll up. Okay, the most convenient option is CSR, because if we need to edit some files, data, it is always convenient to option this CSR scroll option. That's why we keep this setting in our mainframe login ID, that the scroll option is CSR. Okay, so this is for today's session. In the next session, we can discuss other PF keys and also a command called start to swap between the screens.